Hey guys, this is Jason Batesy. I'm going to show you my collection of Redbirds. So the first one we got was red. And it's a 5-inch no sound. Well, it had sound, but it weared out. Accidentally squished the beak. It's from Amazon. This one was from Springfield when I saw a syrup sap thing, kind of cardinals don't have like orange beaks. And the third one oh dang it, this was actually the third one I got. Silly me. This was the second one. This is a 13-inch Terrence, and it's cool. Not sure when I got it. And the one that came today, it took 4 days to get here. It's Tuesday now. What time is it? What time is it, Dad?
7:35.
That's exactly what it says in my Yoda clock. So the one that came today, that took 4 days ago, Tuesday, let's see, Monday, Sunday, Saturday, Sunday. Oh yeah, I ordered it on Sunday, and it took 4 days. So it came today, and it's, why'd you show two, Dad? Whatever. My dad's just silly, weird. What are you laughing about, Dad?
You're so funny, JC.
Yeah. And
Do you have another thing to show us? Because we're going to need to say goodbye pretty soon.
yeah, my haircut. And now
Nice haircut,
the
JC.
thing that came today was the 4-inch red. I got another Redbird. Almost dropped it down the stairs. Wait, down the stairs? I meant down my bunk bed. Down there.
He looks pretty big.
No, he's not.
He's taking up the whole frame of the video.
Well, that's because you pushed the camera. You had the camera in his face.
Okay. Do you like your new bird?
You had the camera up in his face like this.
Do you like your new bird? Because it's got time to say goodbye.
Yeah, and this is JCBHG.
Hey,
Why am I picking my nose?
Okay, say goodbye, everybody.
Bye. And look, aim it there. Aim it there. Wait, I gotta get down. Don't pause it. Or don't turn it off.
Best day ever.
Oh.
All right, now say goodbye.
So,
Whoop. That's okay. Put it back up and then you can say goodbye.
yay.
Let's put it back up.
Dang it. Dang it.
Okay.
It's not bad.
All right, say goodbye, JC.
Okay, don't do anything with it. What? Okay. Subscribe, like, and comment. Hope I get lots of views.